How does a surety bond work in criminal defense? If you or a loved one is facing criminal charges, understanding how a surety bond works can be a game changer. This financial tool can help secure your releases while you await trial. Let's break it down. A surety bond is a financial agreement that allows a defendant to be released from jail without paying the full bail amount upfront. Instead of handing over cash to the court, you work with a licensed bail bondsman. This bondsman will provide a surety bond to the court, which guarantees that you will appear for all required court dates. To start the process, someone needs to contact a bail bondsman. The bondsman will typically ask for a non-refundable fee, which is usually about 10% of the total bail amount. In addition to this fee, you may also need to provide collateral. This collateral can include property, jewelry, or other valuable assets to secure the bond. Once the bondsman has the fee and collateral, they will contract with a surety company. This company pays the full bail amount to the court on your behalf. This means you can be released from jail without having to pay the entire bail amount upfront. From a criminal defense standpoint, surety bonds are a practical option for those who cannot afford full cash bail. The bondsman can also guide you through the bail process and help you understand court requirements. However, there are risks involved. If you fail to appear in court, the bondsman is responsible for the full bail amount and may seize your collateral to cover the loss. It is also important to remember that the initial fee paid to the bondsman is non-refundable, even if you show up for all your court appearances. Once you are released on a surety bond, you must comply with all court obligations, including attending hearings and following any restrictions set by the court. If you do not meet these obligations, your bond can be revoked, and you may be rearrested. To navigate this complex process, it is highly recommended to hire a criminal defense attorney. They can assist you with court proceedings and advocate for your rights. In essence, a surety bond shifts the financial burden of bail from you to a bail bondsman and a surety company. This allows for your releases from jail with a smaller upfront cost, but it does requiring collateral and a fee. Understanding this process can make a significant difference in your situation.